Black Friday is a celebration of sales promos, discounts, lower prices, and buying things sometimes we might not even need. At IKEA, we thought, what if on this very day we could give consumers the chance to reflect? Stop them before they head towards shopping madness and turn their attention to things that they already own. This thinking led us to the idea of the Might Be Useful collection. A collection inspired by things people keep in wardrobes, attics, and basements. Because, well, they might be useful someday. The only Black Friday collection available completely for free. Featuring a table set from the basement, a long unopened wardrobe full of unworn clothes, never used kitchen accessories, and long forgotten toys. On Black Friday, we launched our collection on Facebook, while our Black Friday website, instead of sales promos, as everyone expected, featured tips on how to take care of, repair, upcycle, and donate things to prolong their life or give them a new one. We set an example ourselves and donated our own Might Be Useful collection of unsold items to migrants to help them settle into their new homes. Though the Might Be Useful collection couldn't be bought, it became the most popular Black Friday promo in the country.